Elegant portrait toning is all about subtlety, where delicate adjustments enhance beauty without looking edited. How to design elegant portrait toning. Start by opening Photoshop and loading your portrait onto a canvas around 2000 pixels wide. Then convert the layer into a smart object for non-destructive editing. Add a color balance adjustment layer and gently warm highlights while keeping shadows neutral to preserve natural skin tones. Lower opacity to maintain realism and apply a soft brush on the mask to remove adjustments from areas that should stay untouched. Introduce a curves adjustment layer and make slight corrections to brightness and contrast.